I was with WRI India, and I was part of the team that worked on the climate action and resilience plan for Bangalore city. And like for every action plan, there were two components. There was the whole mitigation part, which I was also involved in, but primarily the adaptation, which is what I kind of resonate and like. And I also think that's more important at a very personal level. I mean, I don't know if you all have lived in Bangalore for quite some time. I think one of the key problems is the administration itself. I mean, it's probably true for other cities too. You just have so many different departments and they work in silos. They never talk to each other. Probably they don't talk to somebody who's in the next table. I don't know, but that's, I think, the biggest challenge that we kind of face. How do you bridge this gap across different departments? Because when you're talking about climate is not just atmospheric sciences or climatic sciences. There are a lot of other aspects that are involved, and governance is a critical component other than the people itself who live. So how do you bridge that? How do you get in the governance aspect of it? How do you get society involved across the varying demography that you actually have in a city of Bangalore? And that was, I think, one of the biggest challenges that we faced. So over a period of time, what we thought is, if considering that here it's BBMP that is the primary authoritative body, if they had a climate action cell within it, then that would work well, and they can be the coordinating agencies with the different departments. And that's how it's gone ahead with the whole climate action plan. In fact, of course, now I'm no longer part of WRI, but keep getting updates that they have also managed to get in quite a few research fellows across these different fields that are of critical importance as part of the climate action cell itself, and take things forward. So I mean, that's one way we thought it could work. We will see if it works. We will know, but it's just started.